Hi, this is Vintage Toilets Vermont presenting the 1933 Standard Modernus Bowl. This is my oldest of three Modernus bowls. I also have one dated 1935 and one dated 1936. I bought this in 1997, and it was actually used for quite a few years in the shed, also known as the nest. On the back there's a T stamped in, but no number. So this should be T3, but it indicates that this bowl was made in Tiffin, Ohio. Here's the underside of the bowl. You can see it has a long horn and a very thick outlet, which means that a 4-inch flange is usually best, although I have been able to get this one into a 3. This just barely fits. It was made on May 4th, 1933. Made in the United States of America. And it's stamped 3255. That almost looks like an I. I'm not sure, but anyway, they all say model 3250 on it, and some of the numbers following are a little bit different. So let's put this on the test stand and give it a few test flushes. The 1933 Standard Modernus has been set up on the test station. T5. This is a 1935 tank. Bone dry, ready to fill. Here goes. This is the modernist style that I prefer. The original with the pear-shaped or oval or round water spot. Trickle, trickle. The tank is full, and the 1933 Standard Modernus is ready for its first flush. Very, very good. Here is a close-up of the trapway and the jet. Now a close-up of the front rim jets. This piece of black tape indicates the water line where I have the Mansfield 09 fill valve set. Note this line here on the overflow tube. I believe that is where the water level was set once this toilet was actually in use. So I am going to stop the water there, and we're going to give it a flush from that level. The second I flush the toilet, I'm going to turn the water back on over here. So we'll have a more, normal type of operation. Okay, with the water stopped at that level, I'm going to try flushing it again. Not bad. I'm going to shut the water off when the level reaches the top of the guide. Note the bowl is already full. And here we go with even less water. Well, it all went down, but I would certainly never set the water that low if I had this in operation. It's now time to test the 1933 Modernus to see how well it flushes some leaves. So I'm going to put in some ferns, a big hobblebush leaf, some beech leaves, a maple leaf, more ferns, another hobblebush, yet another hobblebush, and a couple of beech leaves. Now, either this is going to work or it won't. And that's the honest truth. And it worked. It did a very good job at it. This concludes the test of the 1933 Standard Modernus. I'll end with one more flush. This is Vintage Toilets Vermont saying thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.